Yo, what's good, everybody? Oi, Philippines! I just did my skincare, so I'm glistening like a glazed donut. We got KATSEYE, Animal. Animal? It's called Animal? Yup. I heard it was written by Mr. Ed Sheeran. I'm in love with the shape of you. Ed Sheeran, everybody. Yes, KATSEYE, Ed Sheeran. I heard good things about it. Also, I heard from the grapevine, aka a lot of my K-pop content creators that do reactions. If this gets blocked, or I'll put like a little overlay for copyright, just know it's gonna be uploaded on Patreon. Be sure to follow the Patreon. It's at Dre Day. Follow. You can follow for free. And yeah, it'll be up there if, you know, the full non-edited version will be up there. Just letting y'all know. And just follow me there because mostly I'll be just posting there too. So follow me on Patreon if you haven't already. Click the link in the description. But without further ado, we got KATSEYE up in the building. Do I have a bias in KATSEYE? My Filipino blood stay with Sophia. You know what I'm saying? I love me, Laura. You know what I'm saying? I feel like Laura got my heart and shit. Sure, check out the Patreon. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. KATSEYE, Animal, official MV. Let's get it. Damn. Oh, she got the keys. It says Animal, I think, on the... Megan! Oh, oh, that red dress on, girl. Freaky. Oh, they... Blood contract? Licorice. Well, I like how the licorice melted, actually. That was fire. That was fire. That was fire. So, selling your life away? No. Oh, she fixing my pipes. Oh, she fixing Danny's pipes. Damn. Ooh. Okay, but they always got a sponsor, bro. They always got a sponsor, bro. Like it's something. Bose is nice though. I do like Bose. I like that there's more singing in this one. Let's go, Sophia. Get that middle. Get that middle, girl. I like that. I'll be gone by morning. I can't hit those notes. I don't even know what notes I'm hitting. I'm one of those Filipinos that didn't get that singing trait. Ooh. I think she overpoured. Woo! Laura with the vocals. Oh, she drank your coffee? That was a crazy chance. Ooh, wait, hold on. You heard that. Get them notes, get them notes. You better. Oh, she's serving for real, Miss Ma'am. Hey. So they're acting Jollibee. I'm about to have some. I got Jollibee in the fridge right now. Hold up. We got Jollibee. Hold up. I'm gonna get me some Jollibee. I'm playing. Y'all thought I was playing. Y'all already know I'm about to eat this up for lunch. And stop playing with me, Jollibee. Work with me. Work with your boy. Come on. KATSEYE told you to. Not really. Indirectly, kind of. That was my unofficial ad break. Let's continue. Laura be serving too. They all look great. Holy. Hey, they making business moves right here. While you enjoy. Oh. Demi Moore. First of all, they changing in they underwear and stuff. I feel like I'm not supposed to be here. Am I supposed to be here? Like, no, I need a, where my, Hedgen, Hejina! Oh, she's not here. Okay, well. Let's continue. Wow. All night long!
Do you like? No. Is that
I like Laura. I like. Can I say I liked it? Don't listen to what she guys say. I liked it. Laura fine.
do you like? No. Is that
Her
the
voice.
shoe? I don't think so. No. What about these? No. The blue? No. Tuck tie fab.
Oh, girl.
All right. Let's get wild.
Now, oh, wow. Okay. We out in the middle, Miss Ma'am. Miss Ma'am, serve it. All of them. My God.
All right. Let's get wild.
Fire. Wow. What the fuck? Damn. Damn. This, now, listen here. This is probably one of my favorite KATSEYE comebacks in a minute. Cause they're actually singing. I hear them runs. I hear them vocals. I love that. Shoot, I'm gonna run it back. Hey, I'm gonna run it back. Hey. We got Megan. Miss Megan in the red dress. Opened up the vault, the doors. They got Yoonchae as the boss. Son with that pen that looks like blood's in there. No, it's not that yet. Laura, you so fine. You can fix my pipes. You can fix my girls' pipes too. We can fix our pipes. Baddie on baddie on baddie on baddie. He just killed the fly, right? Is that the same fly from Gnarly? Wait, the outfits are eating though. Love the choreo too. I could feel my heart bleeding. They like who she. What? You could be mine, some truth or dare. Look, I'm reading the background. Tissues on the floor, in on the edge of crazy, in on the edge of crazy. Come adore it. I like my what? Mochi? I like my mochi? That's what I'm saying. I like my mochi. Drenched in chocolata. Ooh, chocolata? You think I'm unaware? Ooh. Ooh. And that's Sophia, right? Okay, Miss Bell, you serving in the front door. Hey. Ooh. This feels like too real too, like the whole corporate people, the corporate men watching their talent just perform. Like almost like basically like an animal. I mean, basically I feel like that's the basis of the whole song too. This seems crazy. Girl, me too. I love the vocals. That part reminds me of like Lenny Kravitz, American Woman kind of vibe. Damn, they had Jessica Alba, Demi Moore.
No.
I do, Laura.
I don't think.
Dang, they really fighting. Me at the thrift store. Me at the thrift store, you know what I'm saying? On a Tuesday. Wow, Yoonchae is eating. All of them are eating, bro. Laura, Danny, Sophia, Megan. I see you, girl. She looking at me like, ooh, this is a good one. This is a banger, bro. This is a banger for real. I move like an animal. God damn. Felt like a FNAF jump scare. The hell? All right, y'all, put a comment down below what you guys think of Catseye's Animal. I definitely like this one. I mean, not saying I didn't like, you know, Eat Zucchini or like Gnarly or even the other ones. I don't know. But I did like Gabriella, and I just want them to sing more, to be honest. I personally like them. I like this one. I feel like this was a great song written by Ed Sheeran. I think they performed it well. The concept is done well. They always got sponsors, so damn. They got Jollibee and Bose. God dang. I already got me Jollibee. It worked on me, KATSEYE. Shout out KATSEYE. Hey, Jollibee, work with me. I'm just letting you know. Hit me up. All right. Put a comment down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Again, if it's like blurred out or copyrighted, check out the Patreon. It'll be uploaded there without all the edits. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Appreciate y'all. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.